Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Nintendo account and the Nintendo Switch Online app, so start now. On your phone, open the Switch Online app and allow microphone access. This lets your phone route voice to the game. Once done, launch Pokémon Unite on your Switch and open settings. Make sure voice chat is toggled on in the game. This pairs with the app. If you see a prompt to link accounts, accept it. This binds your in-game team voice to the smartphone bridge for matches. Once linked, use the Nintendo Switch Online app to join or create a Pokémon Unite voice room. Tap the Unite card in the app, then select an existing room or create one and share the room code with teammates. Make sure teammates join before queuing to keep communication intact. Use either your headset plugged into the Switch or your phone's mic routed through the app. Adjust input level in the app so your voice is clear without clipping. This minimizes confusion during objective fights. Now, in a lobby or during a match, use the team voice controls to mute or unmute and test your mic briefly. Do this before objectives heat up. If teammates can't hear you, first make sure the smartphone app has microphone permission and that your Switch audio output isn't set to TV only. If problems persist, close the Switch Online app and rejoin the room. Alternatively, relaunch Pokémon Unite. As a final step, reinstall the app. This often clears stubborn connection or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.